on trading using the support and resistance strategy. During the next 3 lessons, we're going to be showing you how you can draw horizontal lines on your chart and trade using support and resistance levels in 3 different ways. When trading using the support and resistance strategy, the first thing we actually need to do is to mark up our support and resistance levels. And to do this, we're going to use horizontal lines. So if we start with resistance, we're going to begin at the top of our price chart and gradually move lower until we find a resistance level. And actually, quite early on, you can see that we have a resistance level that's touched on 3 separate occasions. So we will mark that level up because it is a swing high and could be a potentially significant area to watch. And then we're going to take another line and we're going to look to move lower until we gradually touch the current price. So as we move along, you will see that we actually find a good resistance area here. Notice how prices touched through this line on multiple occasions but never actually closed above there, which indicates we have a good resistance zone. And so what we will do is we will look to mark our resistance line at the highest point of this zone. And as you can see, that is on this candle here. So we mark it up and then we continue to look for levels. So we're going to take another horizontal line and we're going to move that lower. Now eventually you will see that we mark up another area on the chart here. We have a potentially interesting resistance level. We've touched on a few occasions here and we've nearly touched our resistance levels on a few occasions here. So this level could potentially give us a trade opportunity. However, there's something to note when marking up your support and resistance levels. Sometimes it's important to use a bit of discretion, and actually if we have a look at this line, although we have a good resistance area here and here, if you move back a bit further, you can see that actually this resistance has been breached on multiple occasions. We can see that we break lower and we break higher on more than one occasion. And this indicates that we have a potential congestion zone, an area on the chart where price trades quite a lot. So actually, if we use a bit of discretion, this level probably isn't a major resistance. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to delete that line and continue looking for any levels. And actually, if we move lower, you can see that pretty much we've made it to current price and our key resistance levels are all marked on the chart. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to start at the bottom of the chart and mark our support levels up. And to do this, we're going to take our line and gradually move higher. Now, almost immediately, we come across a support zone where price fails to break and close below. So to mark this level up, what we will do is we'll take the lowest point of the support zone and we will pop our line on this candle here. Once we've done that, we're going to take another line and we're going to gradually move that higher until we find another support area. And as you can see, this area here actually appears to be a good support level. We break below a few times and we actually move higher. So we will mark that level on the chart at the lowest point and we will just continue to look to see if there are any really good support levels. And actually we do have a little bit of a support level here, guys, but again, if we use a bit of discretion, we can see that actually it's right in the middle of our range that we seem to be trading in. So I think we've pretty much marked all the levels that could be really important.